what they have got against me. And I believe I have got full faith in the judicial system of our country. See, by now, it is not my mistake if the courts are taking time. If the courts had done up with the matter, by now all the allegations basically I would have come clean from all the allegations.
Okay, is BJP divided in Panjim because of the political?
See, I don't think BJP is divided. I think BJP is all united, and BJP is all. BJP is above everyone. Myself or Utpal and all that is nothing compared to where BJP is. We are just workers of the BJP. We all need to work unitedly as far as the BJP is concerned, and to see the success of the BJP. No, as I said, I assure the people that all 5 seats as far as this party is concerned, the Bharatiya Janata Party will control all the 5 seats.
Babush sir, did you promise to Panjika?
See, my promise to Panjina last time when I came back with my manifesto, and this time what I'll be coming up with my vision document, you will find the difference. So whatever the things are missing from 2019 to now, those are the things are underway or under completion or in progress. So now you will see. And as I said, development is a continuous process. There's never an end to development. All new technologies come, so you got to basically keep up with the time. That is more important. Sorry? See, whatever I have said as far as the casino is concerned, I have already made my stand very clear. Casino, see, I had made a commitment that within 100 days I will remove the casino. What was the commitment made for? The commitment was made for because the people of the Santome area or Rui de Ore, that area, they were facing hardships because of the parking of the vehicles that are concerned. So even to get out from their houses and all is becoming a problem. So that was their main issue and concern. They are saying that basically their peace is gone. So tomorrow if anything untoward incident happens, so even for ambulance to come, it can come. See, that is the job basically of the traffic police. We are after the traffic police basically to ease their problems. See, as far as the other issue is concerned, removing the there are many businessmen from big and small from around Panjim who came to me to say, now see, the thing is what happens if I get a wound on my leg, it is not that I got to cut my full leg. It is you solve the problem of the people who are who are opposing. For what is they opposing? They are not opposing for casino. They are opposing basically. They are having hardship as far as their area is concerned. So my thing is what those people came to me and said, Baba, our business we will basically die if our business basically if we cannot run our business. And because of casino, our business will. So that is my thing.
Sir, how you see that all the candidates which are there this time are all new, they have not worked on the Panjim ground level. So it will be easy for you to...
I don't take election anytime easy. Every election is difficult. Every election there are new challenges for elections. We all basically got to work hard. We got to see, I want to see that Panjim BJP gets the highest margin of votes. That is my main target. The target I cannot tell. I'll got to sit down. Let all the candidates come into free. Once all the candidates come into free, then after we'll divide them.
Babush, did you any time try to talk with Utpal regarding this?
No, I have not. I have not. See,
requesting to talk.
No. See, my thing is what Utpal is an individual. Okay. Now it is who has considered me for the ticket. His name also had gone. My name also was gone. But I think party thought it better to give it to me because first and foremost to justify because I was a sitting MLA itself. I'm just trying to say. I think party told Mr. I'm not here to give Mr. Utpal advice. He's like a son to me. Right? I've got a son as big as him. So what I would like to say. But there's still time. Let us all work together. My appeal is let's work together to fulfill your father's dreams. So let's do it together. That's what I'm trying to say.
BJP the family allegations it starts from you, Babush, Jennifer and Monseratte.
Now this is all coming from your own life. All of the people who are giving the feeding. First and foremost, you tell me. Jennifer is 2 times MLA. She's for the past 10 years. So there's nothing new as far as our family is concerned. See, what is this family Raj we are talking about? Family Raj is okay if you are, it is like a king, and king gives the crown to his son, and then that daughter and whoever his descendants. Here we have gone to the people. People have voted us. So in a democracy, anyone can contest. Just because my wife is there, or my son is there, or someone is there. It is ultimately the right of the people. It is the right of the people to decide whether they want it. There were so many people, other people also whose family came into this, but people did not accept. So it is, I feel, leave it to the people. So cut this topic once for all, that family Raj and all. There's nothing called family Raj. That is people's Raj. That is important.
Let people decide.
Yeah, people will.
Okay, thank you.
Babush, Monseratte.